Hello students, Assalamu alaikum. This is Laiba Tariq, your biology instructor from tutorial.pk. Today we are doing the exercise of your chapter 2, that is the support and locomotion. Let's start with the fill in the blanks. So the first fill in the blank is each muscle is enclosed by a membrane known as sarcolemma. Second है osteoporosis is caused by the decrease in the level of estrogen. Estrogen वो हार्मोन होता है जिसके ना होने की वजह से osteoporosis होता है. Third है the molding is controlled by a hormone called ecdysone. Fourth है coloncymatic cells lack dash in their primary wall, तो इसका आंसर है lignin. Sixth है there are dash vertebra in the neck region of the mammals. तो हमारी neck में 7 vertebra यानी कि 7 vertebral columns present होते हैं. Seventh है the most abundant protein in the muscles are actin and myosin. Eighth है dash connect a muscle to a bone. तो इसका आंसर है tendons. Ninth है thick muscle filament is composed of dash. तो आंसर है myosin. इसके साथ ही हमारे filling the blanks complete हो गए. In the next video we will discuss the true false.